welcome back to my channel, and I'm using a not JDiction Resin Crete type stuff. I'll put in the description box what it's called because I cannot remember. Well, anyway, for the amount I've paid for it, I could get 3 kilograms. Oh my days, 3 kilogram bags. Now, yes, that's right, 3 bags with a kilogram in, compared to the price of a JDiction Resin Crete. Is it like Resin Crete? No. It's not white. It's quite creamy. It's creamy colour. Is it as easy as Resin Crete? No. Am I in love with it? No. Am I having to seriously think about what I'm doing with it? Yes. Because although I read the instructions, my brain did not process what the instructions said. So I've been adding water to the powder and then wondering why it keeps getting lumpy, and the working time's supposed to be 15 minutes and it's setting within 3 or 4. So yeah, I figured out that I made a huge boo-boo. So now I'm finally getting there by doing it the right way around. I still think there's something I'm missing, because I've made quite a few things since the painted skull that I made with the JDiction, and if it's too thin it breaks, but I'm not sure if that's because I did it wrong in the first place, which is probably it's probably right. But other things I've made that are thin haven't broken. But I have noticed before I started using it properly, like adding the powder to the water and not the other way around, things have been coming out a lot better. And also I've been able to use the waste bits out of the pots, such as like the skulls, just to fill it out, so I'm not wasting anything at all. So that's good. I really do have to concentrate when I'm doing it, whereas the JDiction, I found that you could chuck a spanner at it and still work. You don't really need to chuck a spanner at it, but you know what I mean. Anyway, I'm going to let you just watch me faff, get it wrong, because look, I'm pouring powder, water into the powder, and then wondering why it's not working properly. So, yeah, enjoy.
Sweet dreams of love.
See, now here, I think it's too thick. I really do think I'm doing it too thick. And, excuse me, I really should measure stuff. And you noticed I squished and squashed everywhere, but when I took it out, it had got great big holes in it. And I was not impressed. I forgot to squish the last bit, didn't I? So I thought, I'm not going to waste it, because I'm not a wasteful kind of person. If I can save it, then I will. So I thought I'll just chuck some mica powder at it and do a UV resin and see if that works. And it does. Well, I think it does, because I'm not going to use it as just an ordinary skull. I am going to make it into something. I just don't know what yet. Something will sing at me. But I used, with the holes at the top, I made it look like crack holes. Oh, that sounds really bad. I made it look more cracked. That's better. That sounds a lot better. So by digging into the clay before it was too solid, we just oh god, what did I use? Pokey tool or something like that? I don't remember. You'll probably see. I don't know. But yeah, I needed to fill in with the resin, and all I kept doing was using my pen light for nails, just to get it to dry. No, not dry. Cure quick before it started to piddle out everywhere. And it did piddle out a few times. But I got mica powder everywhere. I'm a right messy Nessie. And to be honest, I don't think I really needed the mica powder, because it makes it just look mucky. Maybe if I used a different colour, like a purple or something like that. But yeah, I think I should have just left it filled with resin. But anyhow, I'll leave you to watch this bit that you can see, because again, camera is just not in the right place. Oh, and I meant to say, I used a plastic pot. Yay me! Plastic pot! That way, if it did go foul, then it wouldn't matter, because then I could just throw it. But yeah, the clay came off a damn sight better on the plastic than it did the metal bowl. So, lesson learned. But yeah, like I said, I'm going to leave you to this bit.
Sweet dreams of love. Everybody's looking for something.
Okay, so it's finished. I put a resin bottom on it and I filled in the holes. And you'll see that there's other things that I've made, and I'll show you at the end. You have to excuse me, my voice has gone funny. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this, or at least enjoyed my difficulties. I hope to show you something a lot better when I finally got my head around the stuff soon, so keep your eyes peeled. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Sweet dreams of love. That's the truth.